Friends, by now we know how and when to use the joins in the database in SQL, and out of the 4 types we have already seen the inner join. The joins were of 4 types. We covered inner join in our previous session. Those who missed my previous session, please follow the link provided in the description. Today we will go for left join, also known as left outer join. As the name suggests, left join, it is something to do with the left hand side table. What it is to do with it? Let's see the same data set we used for the inner join. We have the same data set here, members table and event table in a club scenario. Club has members, is organizing some events for those members. Now few members have enrolled for different various events or even more than one event. There may be members who have not enrolled for the events. So if we just want to know how many, all the members I want in the list and in which events they are participating in, even if they are not participating, I want the data from event table. I want all the members from the left hand side table. This is called left join or left outer join. The concept says whenever we use left join, it helps us to get all the records from left side table even if there is no matching record or data found in the right table. It displays null under the columns from right table if the matching data is not present. This is the concept of left join. Let's take the help of a Venn diagram. This circle is nothing but a members table, and the second circle is nothing but the event table we have with us. Now members table and event table, we want to join these tables, but this time we want to use left outer join or left join. What that join means is we will get all the records from the members table irrespective of the fact that we have any matching record in event or not. That means it includes matching as well as those records in the members table which are not matching with the event table. This is the diagram, pictorial representation of the left join. Let us understand with the help of our homework sheet. I want a list of all the members present in my club, and across it I want the events each of these members are participating in. So I want the member names and the event name they are participating in. Again, as this is a join, we need a common column between both the tables, which is member ID in both the tables. Member ID in members table is related to the member ID column of event table. We will make a join based on this relationship only, but when we use left outer join, how it gives the results, let us see. It will directly take all the values or records from left hand side table. Now it will match the member IDs with the member IDs in event or right hand side table. Member ID 1 is matching with the member ID of the event table, the first record. That means Jacob is playing chess. This is how it will go. Next, this 2, it will, yes, it is matching with the member ID in event. Again we got one table tennis event for driven. Third member ID of the left hand side table, that is for filler. Let us see, where is it having any match in this? Yes, we do have. We have this record matching with the member ID. This event name is Karen, means fella goes with Karen. Next is 4. Here you can see there is no member ID equals to 4 in event table. It means we do not have any value in the event name column for member ID 4. But as this is left join, we have to get the value from left hand side, that is Tanya will come, but the event name is not present in event table, so it will have null against Tanya. Let us go ahead. 5. Yes, we do have 2 records for 5. Means we have matching record present for 5. One is singing, one is exclamation. So let's make 2 records in the output as well. Exclamation will also be there. Next comes the 6. Yes, we do have 2 records for 6. Harry is also participating in 2 events. 6. Spell 6 is participating in painting and fancy dress event. Next one is 7th. Do we have any member ID matching with the 7? Yes, we do have here. Poetry, means Patrick is interested in poetry. Let's see, 8. We do have 8 in this event table. Lapri is going for drama. Next is 9. Do we have 9 here? No, we don't have 9. And we also don't have 10. For Very and Micah, these members are not participating in any event, so we will have null here. Now, one thing to be noted, Jacob is also participating in dancing, so we will have one more record for Jacob participating in dancing. This will be the output. Let's organize it, arrange it in some order, easy to understand. This is the output. This will be the output of left outer join. Inner join we have already seen in previous session. It will pick only the related records in both the tables, but in left join, as the name suggests, it will pick all the records, matching records from the left hand table, and it will display the right hand table's data against it. If no data is present, then null will be displayed. This is how we will get the result. Let us go back to the database and see what exactly it displays as a result of this concern. Syntax here is select table 1 dot list of columns, table 2 dot list of columns from this first table is my left hand side table, that is table 1. We want to use which join? Left join. Left join table 2. As you can see, left join keyword has one table at its left side and one on right hand side. So left side table is the one whose all the records will be picked in left join. On which columns? We need the columns which has relation between, which establish relation between both the tables. Table 1 dot column, which is related to table 2 dot column. This is the simple syntax. Again, we have optional things here. We can add where conditions as and when required. Group by will follow where condition if it is present there. Otherwise, you can use group by, and order by will follow both of them. In the last, we'll have order by. This is the syntax for using left join. Let us write a query. We can again go back and see the data in our table, members table. We have 10 records. Event table. We have the data as we have seen in our homework sheet. Now let's follow the syntax and write one query for left join. Table 1 dot list of columns. Here my table 1 means left hand side table is members table dot column name I want here is member name, comma right hand side table 2 is event, and I want event name column from that table. From table 1 is members. Want to left join this members table with event table on which columns? Members dot member ID is related with the event dot member ID. This is the relation. I want to order these results by member name, members dot member name column. This is the syntax. Just run this and see the results. This is the result. See, can you see null, null, null? We have null for Micah, Tanya and Very, because they are not participating in any of the events. But as we have used left join, we will have all the members listed here, and in front of them we will have the event names if they are participating, otherwise null from the right hand side table. Is it same as we have in our Excel sheet? Yes, it is same. Micah, Tanya and Very are having null values against them. This is how left join works. It depends on the scenario. We want to use left join, or we want to go for inner, right or full outer join. This is all for the session. Do subscribe my channel, follow the videos, like, comment and share your thoughts. Thank you.